Hey guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw something super adorable and full of vibes. Adorable umbrella with a cute little face on it. Before, before we start, here is a tiny cute story for you. Okay? On a rainy morning, a little umbrella named Bella dreamed of making someone smile, while all other umbrellas were plain and simple. Bella wanted to be the cutest umbrella in the whole world. They wished someone would draw her with bright colors, tiny blush, and a happy smile. And guess what? Today you and I will make Bella's dream come true. So grab your pencil and let's bring our adorable little umbrella to life. Okay, and our adorable umbrella is almost ready. Look how happy little Bella looks. She finally got the cute makeover she always wished. If you enjoyed this cute drawing, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a sweet comment, and subscribe for more fun and adorable art tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.